Hi, and welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Cheryl, and this is Your Journey Yoga. We're going to do some after stretching if you have gone on a hike. So I love hearing about all the places you guys are hiking. It just makes me happy. I love a good adventure. So keep sharing wherever you've been. I love to hear it. So today we're just going to stay up standing. So if after you get off your hike and you just want some stretching right away, if this is a pre-hike, this is a great stretch for that as well. So we'll just stay standing. So obviously you may not have your mat if you're just coming off of a nice hike, so no worries wherever you're standing. Just find a standing posture that your feet are hip width apart. And let's roll those shoulders up and back, and shoulders slide down and away. Inhale, reach. And as you exhale, arch it back. Open those arms nice and wide. Take the gaze to the sky. Inhale, reach it up. And exhale, left hand comes down, right arm up. A little lateral stretch all the way down the side of the body. Inhale, both arms up. And exhale, other side. Inhale, both arms come up. Circle those arms down, bend your knees, place your hands just above your knees. Take a big breath in, press the chest forward, arch your back, gaze to the sky. So maybe you've been carrying a backpack. Need to stretch out and give some love to the back. Standing cat and cows. Inhale, press it through, arch your back, lift your gaze. Exhale and hollow. Couple more times. Just moving at the pace of your breath. I hope it's been a beautiful day, or it is a beautiful day. Making sure you're drinking lots of water, replenish. Coming back to neutral, and just slowly walk your hands down your legs, releasing hands to the floor, to the ground, to the mat, and then slowly extend those legs. Let your head be heavy. Shift your weight to your heels, begin to bend your knees, and just lower down into a little tuck. You can stop at any point. Keep pressing through those heels and then extend those legs. So yep, you're going to feel this, glutes, hamstrings, lower back. Inhale, bend. Come down as low as you like. And then gently press it back up to your forward fold. Let's do that once more. Breathe. And gently extend, and then ever so slowly roll yourself up, one vertebra at a time. With a big shoulder roll at the top, and shoulders slide down and away. Crossing that right leg behind the left. Bring your ankles just as tightly together as you can get them. Reach it up, bend that right elbow, hand behind your head, left hand to the elbow. Gentle press and a lean to the left. Stretching all the way down that right side of your body. Squeezing those inner thighs. Inhale it back to center. Extend your arms. Release that right foot from behind the left. Cross your left behind your right. Bending that left elbow, right hand to the elbow. A little press as we lean to the right. Squeezing those inner thighs. Just leaning into it. Great stretch all the way down that left side. Inhale it back up. Extend those arms. Release that left foot from behind. Turn your palms to face front, and as you exhale, pull those elbows back and down. Squeeze through those shoulder blades. Inhale, reach, and exhale, pull. And gently release those hands down by your sides, shifting your weight to your left foot. Right heel comes forward just slightly. Bending the left knee, right fingertips reaching down. Breathe, stretching all the way down the back of the leg. We circle that right arm up as we stand tall, around behind, and again sit. We're going to do 2 more of those. Lift and reach, straightening that left leg, big circle, and sit. 1 more time. Reach, circle it around, and reach down towards those toes. Now circle that arm up and back, and we're going to kick that right foot back, taking a hold of the outside edge of your foot, and draw those knees towards one another. As you pull that right heel in towards your bum, you're welcome to take that left hand behind too, taking a hold of the foot with both hands. If you need a little stability help, you're welcome to use the wall, a countertop, If there's a tree handy and you're out on the trail, whatever you need. Breathe. Little balance, little stability. Now gently release that left hand, extend it out, shift that right hand to the inside of your foot, and let's come into dancer's pose. Breathe. Why dancer's pose? Opening up the chest, stretching through that right hip flexor, that right quadricep, strengthening the ankles, the feet. Slowly we release it back, crossing that right foot up and over the left knee, hands to heart center, and we sit it back. Nice stretch in that right hip, right glute. Breathe. Those walk-in muscles, those glutes. So nice. Those are one thing that you will definitely feel tighten up. Calves, hamstrings, and those glutes. We rise and release that right foot down. Shift your weight to that right foot, left heel kicks out. We bend the right knee, right hand to the right thigh, left fingertips down towards your toes. And there's that left backside. Woof. Calves, hamstrings, glutes. Inhale, circle that left arm up, around behind, and again, sit it back. We're going to do that 3 more times. Core strong. Reach it up, circle it around, sit it back, keeping that core engaged so that's not going to go all right into that lower back. Around and sit. 1 more time. Around, stand tall, and then sit it back. Breathe. Inhale, reach it out, circle that arm around. We pull that left foot back, taking a hold along the outside edge of that left foot. Find your breath. Right hand can be wherever you wish it to be. If it feels right to you, reach around. Take a hold of that foot, drawing your heel in. As we reach around with both arms, we open up through that chest. We want to make sure we're not arching the back too much. Just breathe. We gently release that right hand, extend it out. Left hand travels to the inside or the arch of your foot, and then gently press that foot into the hand as we come forward to our dancer's pose. Stretching through the front of the shoulder, little added bonus. Hip flexor, quadricep on that left leg, stability of that right leg. Slowly we rise, releasing the foot, crossing that left ankle above the right knee, and begin to sit it back. Always using assistance if you need it, counter, wall, a chair, whatever it might be. Breathe. And we rise, releasing that left foot, standing tall. Reach to the sky. Keep those palms together and then arch it back. Breathe. Inhale it up tall. Pull the hands to heart center. And sit to chair. Breathe. Shift your weight forward. Balance chair. And then slowly releasing it down. And then slowly leveling out those thighs. Breathe. Slowly lifting those knees, core staying strong. And slowly rise. We extend those arms. Breathe. Strong through the core, strong through those legs. And slowly release your heels down as you release those arms down. And you might have shoes on, no worries. Tuck your toes under and just press the shoelaces or the top of your foot towards the ground. Stretching all down the front of the shin, through the front of the ankle and the top of the foot. And then just a little roll to the outside, heel goes out. And then come back through to center. And release, stand tall. Flip those left toes under, gently pressing shoelaces or the top of your foot down towards the ground. And then a little roll of that ankle to the outside, just stretching all along the outside edge of your foot and through the ankle. And back to center. And stand tall, reach. And exhale, swan dive down. Hands to the tops of your feet or tops of those shoelaces, and just let your head be heavy. Gently alternate bending knees, just being mindful that you don't overextend, hyperextending the leg. Find your breath. Extending both legs, and ever so slowly roll it up. With a big shoulder roll at the top, and shoulders slide down and away. Let's heel toe those feet open, just a little bit wider than the width of your hips, and just sway side to side. This just feels super good. Just letting go of tension in that lower back, allowing the pelvis to shift, and letting those arms just swing. We come back to center. Heel toe those feet back in. And let's turn to the side, opening those legs out nice and wide, arms open out to a T. Rotate palms to the sky, inhale, reach. And exhale, grand plie down. We're going to finish with just a couple great sunflowers and just a couple more really nice inner thigh stretch, lower back stretch. One more big, beautiful sunflower. Pull those hands through heart center, bend the knees, place your hands to the insides of your knees. And as you exhale, press that right knee out and away as you turn and look out over that left shoulder. Now that feels good. Inhale it back to center, core strong. Exhale, press that left knee out and away, look out over your right shoulder. Inhale back to center. One more time each way. Inhale back to center, and then once more, press it out and away. Inhale it back to center. We lift that chest, pull the hands to heart center, extend those legs, and heel toe those feet in. And my friend, I hope you either have a fantastic hike or you already had one. And again, please share with me where you've been. I love to hear about your adventures. Be safe out there, drink lots of water. Take care of yourself and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Until the next time, my friend, namaste.